What if I told you your body is not actually tired? Your life is draining your energy. You sleep, you wake up, but still you feel exhausted. It starts to feel normal, but it's not. Real tiredness is not just about how long you sleep. It's about how your brain and body are being used every single day. From the moment you wake up, your mind is under constant stimulation. Notifications, messages, social media. Your brain never gets silence. And when your brain never rests, your body cannot recover. Even if you are physically still, mentally you are being used non-stop. That is why you feel drained without understanding why. There is also something called decision fatigue. Every single day, you make hundreds of small decisions. What to wear, what to eat, what to do next. Each decision takes a small amount of energy. By the end of the day, your brain is exhausted, even if you did nothing hard. But here is the part most people don't realize. Doing nothing can also make you tired. When you sit for long periods, your body slows down. Blood flow drops, oxygen flow decreases, and your brain receives a signal that you are in a low energy state. So your energy drops even more. That's why sometimes you feel more tired after doing nothing. Sleep itself can also be misleading. You may sleep for hours, but if your brain is active before bed, especially from screens, your body does not enter deep recovery. So even after a full night of sleep, you wake up still feeling tired. Food plays a role too. Sugar gives you quick energy, but it crashes just as fast. Processed food slows your system down. Without proper fuel, your body cannot maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Over time, your brain starts accepting this feeling as normal. You stop questioning it. You tell yourself, this is just how I feel. And once your brain accepts something as normal, it stops trying to fix it. That is the real trap. The way out is simple but powerful. Give your brain moments of silence. Move your body, even a little. Protect your sleep by reducing screen time before bed. And most importantly, become aware of what is draining your energy. You are not lazy. You are not weak. You are simply running a system that is constantly being drained without recovery. Once you understand the system, you can fix it. And when you fix the system, your energy comes back.